I think people should have a big varied collection of photos of just covers everything their business does. So if you're a violin maker or something like that, you should have, a picture to describe every step of the process. But more generally, normal businesses like accountants or lawyers and things like that, they should definitely have images of all the people that are involved in the business. And I think team images showing people collaborating is a big thing these days.
Yep.
That the team's together. So it could be a war room shot, as I call them, where they're all stood around looking at something. That's big in the engineering world. You'll get like a porter cabin on the site, and they'll all be looking at a drawing, and that just breeds credibility into the whole outfit and things like that. But also action shots of people gesturing, because if you're going to put something on YouTube, you might want a pointing shot. Oh, that's often good. What choice should I make? Or the scratching your head shot, or the inspired shot. You can see.
Yeah.
But the great thing about doing a photo shoot is I actually do these behind the camera, and people sort of mirror what I do. It's probably a bit of rapport going on there, isn't it? That kind of thing. I guide people through it.